Hello, today I'm in Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via car system. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, and now make sure that your smartphone is connected with the car. Go to phone, and now you can select contact from contact list to make phone call. You can select it from history or from keypad. Simply select contact, enter phone number or select from history, and then press this button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.